everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm super sorry I've been gone for such a long time, but now I am back and today I'm going to be showing you how to make lucky stars or paper origami stars. So let's just get started. And it was on sale online, so I decided to just get it. And it comes with a lot of colors, as you can tell, and they all stick together. I'm super sorry for the background noise, by the way. And this is just like the stars that I did so far. I gave away some of the stars to my relatives, to my family. So yeah, this is an example. Super cute. And I will now show y'all how to make one with this pink lucky star paper. So let's just start for real now. So first, just straighten it out, and then on one end of the lucky star paper, it can be either end, grab it, and then fold it a little, and then turn it to the left. So let's start again, like this, one side, fold it a little, then turn so it goes to the left, there. So it should be turned like this, so it should look like a ribbon. And then next, put the other side, so just get the other side and put it through the hole. And then keep your hand on the loop, make sure that you're still holding on to it tight, and then just put it through the loop. And then keep on pulling this side and this side to make it very tight. So pull both sides, and then there. We have the body of the star, and then for this you just fold it in. And if it's too long, you can rip it if you'd like. I ripped some pieces because they wouldn't all fit. The links were too long, like this. The light blue one and the light pink one. So yeah. And so I'll just do so. Just put it inside like that, and perfect. So next, on this side, so let's start all over again. So get one side, and then it doesn't matter which side, just choose one side. Fold it like this a little, then turn it so it looks like this. So just fold it and turn it so it goes to the left, so it should be like a ribbon. And then get the other side, and then you just simply put it through the loop. Still hold this, by the way, hold it tightly, and then put the whole paper through it. And then hold both, this one and this one, and then press it. There, so now we're here. So whatever slit you have, I'd like you to just fold it like this and put it inside of this, like that. So now everything's together and it looks like a star. So this is what it should look like. So from here, you're gonna flip it over. So we were just on this side, now we're gonna go to the other side, and we're gonna start folding it. So we're gonna fold it like this from here. This one, just fold it up. Then first fold it to the right. Once it's fully folded, then you flip it. Then fold it to the left, flip it. then to the right, fold it, then flip, then left, fold, and flip, and right, fold, and flip, then left, fold, and flip, then right, fold, flip, then left, fold, flip. Then you keep doing it, right, fold, flip, then left, fold, flip, then finally right, fold, flip. So there's a little piece left, like when we first started, so we're just gonna put it inside so it's tight, and then just pinch it together, and we have the body of the star. Great job, everyone! So we're almost finished. We're on this side, right? Because you just put the slit in, or put it in the slit, and then now on either side we're just gonna puff it. So I have long nails because it's better to puff it with long nails. So yeah, we're just gonna, at each point we're just gonna pinch it together. So there's 5 of them, so we're gonna do it 5 times. So I'm gonna start here on the left side. Just pinch it there. So it's gonna turn 3D. Then the top, pinch it. Then on the right side, pinch it. And be sure not to pinch too hard, or else the star will be too thin. And then finally on the bottom, pinch it. And then I'm just gonna do this one more time. And this is it. This is our star. And by the way, I know mine is 2 colors on each side, but if you have one color is different from the other, so 2 different colors, then just make sure that when you're first doing it, like the first steps, that the color is up. So you're looking at the color side first, and then you flip it when folding on the other color side. So yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped you. And yeah. Have an amazing and perfect day, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!